Hello guys, welcome back to OnTimeNotes, and in this video we are going to see short note on ERP. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, and it is an integrated real-time cross-functional enterprise application and enterprise-wide transactions framework that supports all the internal business processes of a company, and it supports all core business processes like sales, orders, processing, inventory, management and control, production and distribution, planning and finance. So these are the fields in which ERP system is used. uh, Strategic and operational planning, then finance, human resource, logistic management, maintenance management, sales and distribution, quality management, materials management, manufacturing. ERP application allows the different departments to communicate and share information more easily with the rest of the company, and it collects information about the activity and state of different divisions, making this information available to other parts where it can be used productively. So now we'll see features of ERP: seamless integration, resource management, supply chain management, and integration data model. And the advantages are: combines all business processes in one system and gives real-time data for a quick decision. And disadvantages are: costly to set up and run and takes time to implement fully. So this was it for ERP, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching till here.